Before you decide to buy GoCardless, there are a few things you absolutely need to know. In this video, I'll cover 7 crucial points that could save you time, money, and frustration if you're thinking about using their services. Stick around till the end for some exclusive offers you can't get anywhere else. You'll also learn how GoCardless stacks up against competitors like PayPal and Stripe, so you can make a more informed decision. Let's dive right in. First off, GoCardless specializes in recurring payments, and it does it well. Unlike one-time payment systems like Stripe or PayPal, which often focus on more traditional transactions, GoCardless excels at simplifying subscription-based and installment-based billing. If your business is looking for a seamless way to collect regular payments, whether monthly, annually, or in installments, GoCardless is designed with that in mind. With their global reach, they handle payments across 30 countries, making it a solid choice for businesses that want to expand internationally. Next thing, GoCardless is built for businesses of all sizes. It doesn't matter whether you're a freelancer just getting started or an enterprise-level operation, GoCardless scales with you. The pricing is transparent and competitive, which is something you don't always see with alternatives like Stripe. While Stripe is known for its flexibility, it can get a little complex when you're just looking for simplicity. GoCardless, on the other hand, is focused on making recurring billing as straightforward as possible, with minimal setup involved. Now, let's talk about fees. GoCardless charges a flat fee per transaction, which is lower than what you might pay with PayPal, especially for cross-border payments. PayPal, in comparison, can have high fees for international transactions, and their hidden charges can catch you off guard. With GoCardless, the pricing is predictable, just a flat percentage based on the transaction. And here's a key advantage. If your customers' bank accounts are in a supported country, payments are made through direct debit, which means lower processing fees. This can add up if you're processing lots of payments regularly. The fourth thing you need to know is GoCardless's integration capabilities. If you're running a subscription business or any service that involves recurring payments, GoCardless integrates with most major accounting and CRM platforms like Xero, QuickBooks, and Salesforce. This is a huge time saver, reducing manual work and the potential for errors. It's easier than using PayPal, which doesn't offer as many seamless integrations. Next up, GoCardless puts a heavy emphasis on security, which is crucial for handling payments. Their system complies with the highest levels of payment security, including PCI DSS, which is the industry standard. This means your customers' payment data is protected, and you won't have to worry about compliance issues. Compared to PayPal and Stripe, which are also secure, GoCardless's direct bank payment method offers another layer of security, ensuring lower fraud risks, especially in recurring payments. Sixth, GoCardless has excellent customer support. They have a dedicated team available 24/7 to help resolve any issues. This stands in stark contrast to PayPal, where customer service can sometimes be a bit of a headache, especially when it comes to dealing with recurring payment issues. With GoCardless, you can count on their team to walk you through any concerns or setup questions you might have, with clear instructions and fast response times. And finally, GoCardless is all about ease of use. If you're new to subscription billing, you'll find the platform user-friendly, with an intuitive dashboard that gives you access to everything you need. Unlike Stripe, which requires more technical know-how for setup, GoCardless is designed to be easy even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Whether you're looking to start with a few clients or handle thousands, it's a platform that won't leave you overwhelmed. So there you have it. 7 things you need to know before buying GoCardless. It's a simple, secure, and cost-effective solution for businesses that need to manage recurring payments. If you want to give GoCardless a try, make sure to click the first link in the description below. You'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits to get started. Don't miss out on this opportunity to streamline your business payments and scale with ease. Click the link now to get started with GoCardless today.